Hi, I want to express thousands of words of gratitude to you for purchasing this powerful course of English. Also, I want to congratulate you because in the following several months, your life will change dramatically. You will have hundreds of new opportunities you couldn't even dream of before. You will feel how cool it is to think in the language, which is so different from your native one. Alright, let's waste no more time. I know you're dying to get started. Now, I'm gonna show you our plan of actions. Watch this video till the end, very carefully, and do everything I tell you to. Do it, and you will speak English fluently in no time. I guarantee it. I will begin this course by explaining to you the basic grammar principles in the simplest way possible. Then, I will teach you the new words, show you how to spell and to pronounce them right. You have to repeat everything I tell you to. Then I'll show you how to ask questions and to answer them correctly. After that, the most interesting part begins. Practice. I'll be asking you questions, lots of questions, on different topics. And you need to give me the full, extended answers. Aloud, not in whisper, not to yourself, aloud. I mean it. It's absolutely necessary. You won't become fluent if you don't speak aloud. If you feel awkward talking while looking at your screen, look somewhere else when you talk. Just make sure you talk. This awkward feeling will soon go away, trust me. Every question will be supported by a cartoon with subtitles, so you will train your visual memory too. After some questions, you will see the tips to help you answer the question correctly. After you hear a question, you will have just enough time to say the full answer before you hear the model answer. If the answer you gave was different from the model answer, stop the video. Try to analyze your mistake. Go back to the grammar lesson if you forgot something, or drop me a question in the chat. Just remember, if you want maximum effect, you have to listen and to repeat the model answer in exactly the same way you hear it. You might want to listen to the model answer several times. 5, 10, 20 times. It's perfectly normal. Try to imitate the pronunciation, intonation, and speed of the speaker. Do it over and over again until you can do it just as beautifully and fluently. Trust me, the result will come much faster than you think. If the gap between the question and the model answer isn't big enough for you to give the full answer, rewind the video a few seconds back and repeat your answer again, quicker. Repeat it until you fit in the time frame. Just don't cheat. Do not pause the video to answer the question. Train your fluency. You will thank me later. Trust me, even if you manage to say 1 or 2 sentences fluently without thinking about the grammar and without trying to remember some word, it matters a lot. It's already a huge progress. The following sentences will get easier and easier. In your next lesson, you will revise everything you've learned in the previous lessons. Only by repeating everything over and over again, you will develop your muscle memory. This way, you will learn to speak English without thinking. Trust me, it's absolutely vital. Do not, under any circumstances, skip the revision parts. Even if you think you've learned everything by heart already, just do everything by the book. Without repetition, it's a waste of time. In the end, you will have accumulated a gigantic storage of ready-made phrases and sentences, which you can easily use in the real life, without thinking about the grammar, but clearly understanding the context. There is one more thing. You just have to be organized. Since you'll be training very difficult skills, communication skill and skill of thinking in English, you have to take at least 4 lessons a week. Complete lessons, without interruptions. Find 4 hours a week when you won't be disturbed and distracted from speaking aloud. The best solution here is to set a repeated reminder on the calendar app on your smartphone for the days and the hours that work for you. But it shouldn't be less than 4 lessons a week. Do everything I say, and you will have an amazing result in no time. And you will tell your friends and colleagues about Logos. And we will both benefit from it. Okay, if you are ready, let's get rolling.